I am on vacation and I found some incredible Aldi finds and I'm going to share them all with you right now. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, what is up, everybody? It's Jamie, and I am in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is my mom and dad's house. I'm in the guest bedroom, and I went to Aldi. I totally did not think about doing a video while I was here, so I didn't bring my tripod or anything like this, so you get this kind of setup right here. But I went to Aldi and found some really good things and some good deals too. So we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna share with you some of these items, and I am super excited about this first thing. This is a portable outdoor heater. This was on clearance, you guys. This was only $17. And this is perfect for my front porch. My front porch is kind of a smaller size, and it is a portable outdoor heater. It plugs into the wall. It doesn't take any propane or gas or anything like that. And that's going to be perfect for my front porch. Now, why not have it out there on my front porch? I love my front porch, but sometimes in the wintertime, it's a little cold out there, and you know, we want something else out there. Now, the other thing I found, this was on clearance. This was $4.99, or maybe it was $8.99. Let me see. I think I have the receipt. I think I have the receipt right here. Let's see how much this bowl was. Decorative bowl was $9.99, and terracotta bowl, love the base of this. Super cute, really good size, which I'm excited about. And I'm gonna paint it because I don't want this white in the white just doesn't go with my house really. But I think I'm going to paint it. I think I'm either going to do like a navy kind of sponge paint on top of it to kind of maybe let some of that white show through. And then I want to do some moss in here and make like a little moss kind of tray for my coffee table. But that again was $9.99. And then the heater, the patio heater, was $17.49. Such a good deal. The other thing that I grabbed, and I thought that this was great. Now, this is a pizza cutting board. This has a silicone mat that comes with it. So you can kind of see it on this side. See the gray, I know the lights are bouncing off of here, but the gray part, that is a silicone mat. And so the silicone mat that's on top of this can go into the oven. The actual cutting board cannot go into the oven, but this was $9.99, and again, love making my own pizza, love using the cauliflower crust. This is great. I love also that silicone mat that comes with this, and this is an easy way to kind of move it from the oven to the table. Another thing I grabbed, and this was something that I thought would be cute. I think this is meant for camping, but I'm going to use it in my kitchen. It's a collapsible dish drainer, but what I like about it, one, it goes flat. The one that I have, I've had for a while, and it's just time to get a new one. But this one also has a drain in it, so you can see the drain right there, so you can put this in your sink, and if you, for whatever reason, are doing something and you don't want it to drain, I don't know why you would be doing that, but you can put the stopper in here, or you can just leave it like this and let it drain. How cool is that? I guess if you wanted to maybe put this on your countertop and you wanted to stop it up that way, that would be a way, right? But this was, let's see, I should be better organized here. Also $9.99, and it's a good size, and it's going to fit inside of my sink. And, you know, I think I mentioned that I'm in South Carolina right now because I'm kidnapping my mom and bringing her back to the beach, or to Atlanta with me for a couple weeks. And, you know, we're going to be doing dishes and cooking and things like that. And so that's kind of a perfect way to kind of do that. I really am into cold brew coffee lately, and this is a cold brew beverage system. This was $9.99. I remember that. And what's so great about it is it's this kind of glass container here. There's a filter here. You put coffee grounds in here, and then you put either hot water or cold water, and you let it steep overnight, and then you've got cold brew coffee, and then you mix it with cream or sugar or combination of everything, and drink an iced coffee. So that's kind of cool. And it's a great carafe, so you can put it actually in the put it in the refrigerator. You don't have to worry about spilling and everything. I want to see if I can open it for you guys. And again, something super cool. I love cold brew coffee, and you can buy the concentrate of stuff, but it gets kind of expensive. That's a really generous size, and that's where you put your coffee grounds and everything. And then you can see the carafe is really nice. It's got this gripper, it's got the pour spout on it. And then what I think is kind of cool too is once you've kind of made your coffee and you're putting that to the side, you've got a lid here that you can put on top of that to kind of keep your coffee nice and fresh. So that is something I am very excited about. I wanted like some sort of cold brew system, and that's going to be perfect. Pop it back in there. I bought these stainless steel straws. I've been looking for these forever at Dollar Tree. They have them at Dollar Tree. I have not found them, but this was a set, and then it also comes with the little cleaner there. Let's see how much the straws were. Reusable straws, $4.99. Not a bad deal, $4.99. And it looks like you've got 7 in there, 6 straws, and then you've got the cleaner. So super cool. Love that, especially with the iced coffee. That is going to be nice as well. These are really beautiful. This is a kind of a baking set. And so you've got the smaller little loaf pan, and then you've got this pan here. It's kind of like a stoneware. It's by the Crofton brand, and Crofton. And I love this. Now this is just a spacer that's in here, but you can see such a great size. And it's kind of like a, not ceramic, but something that's oven safe. Sorry. And it's kind of got that speckled pattern, which kind of looks kind of vintagey and stuff. And I love that. And then you've got the larger one to be able to cook with. And these kind of bakeware dishes are actually perfect for me because being a single guy living by myself, these are kind of perfect whenever you are cooking and doing different things. You just want to make something kind of small for yourself. The other couple of things I bought were wine. I don't know what, there it is. Wine. So Aldi has this brand called Winking Owl, and I've actually had this before. If you've not tried this and you do like wine, you should give it a try because they make a Cabernet, they make a Merlot, they make a Chardonnay, they make a kind of a red blend, they do a sweeter wine. So they've got a little bit of everything, and these are $3.49 for a bottle of wine, which is not a bad deal. And I have a little wine fridge and a little wine storage area at the house because I like to drink wine, especially when I have friends coming over. My mom likes to drink some sugar-free sodas, and she likes Fresca. And they don't have Fresca at Aldi, but I looked and they have this brand, and this is a grapefruit soda. And this grapefruit soda actually is supposed to taste just like Fresca. And this was, I think it was around $3. Yeah, $3.45. And they had this in a lemon, they had it in a lime, they had it in a couple different flavors. But when I looked it up, the Vive, I think it's Belvive, grapefruit is supposed to be very similar to Fresca. So give it a try. Then I just wanted some snacks to honestly munch on in the car on the way back to the beach, or back to Atlanta. So I got these keto coconut clusters with dark chocolate. I thought that they could be pretty yummy to snack on. It's a 6-hour drive, and you get a little hungry. And then these Parmesan Crisp are also something that's pretty yummy. These are significantly cheaper than the brand name ones that you'll see in the store. The coconut clusters were a little pricey, $6.29. And then the let's see, the Parmesan Crisp were $2.49, which is actually a really good deal when you compare this, because the the package. This is 2 ounces, and I believe the other ones are just like at around 1 ounce. And they're about $3 or $4 if I remember right. So if you like these kind of Parmesan Crisp, what's also great about these is there's a lot of protein in this. There's 13 grams of protein. It's 150 calories. This bag is 2 servings, but you get a lot of protein, and you can do this instead of chips, which is definitely a good thing. I think that's everything. That's everything. It's not a big haul, but you know, it's something. And I wanted to give you guys a video for tonight because I owe you one. And I have some great DIYs coming up, and the next couple of videos are going to be DIY content, and I know you guys will be looking forward to that. Spent a lot of time just kind of brainstorming and playing around, and you know, cleaning out the craft bin and going through drawers and stuff and finding things, and kind of got some cool inspiration. So looking forward to sharing them with you. Also, I've got some beach content for you guys at the end of the video, so you can kind of close your eyes and listen to the waves and just kind of enjoy the beach with me. All right, guys, until next time, I will talk with you later. All right, sorry for the setup here. This is as good as it can get on vacation. All right, guys, take care. Bye.